Tired of random apps having your phone number? First, check your Google account. Start by opening any web browser on your phone, Safari, Chrome, or any of your choice. Go to google.com and make sure you're signed in. Now tap on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Manage Your Google Account. You'll be redirected to myaccount.google.com. From the left sidebar, tap Personal Info. Scroll down until you see Phone Number and tap it. Now, to remove it, select the number, tap the trash icon at the top right, and follow the verification steps. Once confirmed, your number is unlinked from Google's ecosystem. Second, remove it from individual apps. Let's take Snapchat as an example. Open the app, tap your profile icon, then go to Settings. Scroll and select Phone Number. Here, you can simply delete the number, or toggle off visibility if the app allows it. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick tech guides.